The RHA's Lifeforce Development Institute is a job readiness 12-week course. We've seen that there was a lack of employability skills as well as life skills. So we put that together to create the Lifeforce Development Institute curriculum. So in this 12-week curriculum, we go over and we teach foundational skills. We also instruct on financial literacy, which is financial empowerment. We explore every week pathways out of poverty. We do provide a few incentives at the Lifeforce Development Institute, such as transportation within 10 miles. You get a makeover. At the end, you get a voucher to go get professional attire. You also get a free computer at the end of the course. Also, after graduating, you get a job readiness certificate as well as a 90-day follow-up. If you're interested in signing up for the Lifeforce Development Institute, you can go right to our website, launchmyfuture.com. If you do not have access to a computer, you can come to any of our locations to find out how to sign up.